Alright guys, so we're going to do a special video tonight, so hope you guys are all ready for this is basically going to be a natural vacuum video, guys. We're going to use some paper basically. I put down some paper for the vacuum, so we're going to see which one does the better job. We're going to do one, I think we're going to do one strain, one line run for each vacuum, so we're going to try the let's see here, guys. I think we're going to try the Eureka, guys. See how that works out. So yes, guys, that's what we're going to do like right now. Let me go ahead and see how this works out, guys. So, I think we're going to do about one line pass. Or one vacuum get and put, you know, whichever. We'll figure it out, guys. I think just one line pass, you know. So we save some for the Eureka. Well, this is the Eureka Power Sheet. What am I talking about? Anyways. Excuse me while I get some cord undone. Guys, I'm not going to go far with it. I'm just going to go far enough into it that you guys can see basically that it's going to work like really good. Alright guys, let's see how this works out. So guys, if you happen to be purchasing this vacuum for like home, or if you live in, or if you have an office that you work at, guys, and you have to clean up after you're done. Let's say you shred papers, guys. Let's say you're shredding up junk mail. You're shredding up valuable information, documents, and you don't want anyone to get your information. Well, guys, I probably recommend the Power Speed for you guys. So let's see.
Down the driver's side of the car, cross over here on the floor, come up the trans tunnel area, hold the trans cross member, and we'll come up here in between the trans tunnel.
I thought the mailman was out, but I don't think he is out, guys. So, hearing some engine noises outside. Back to the video on hand I'm making, you guys. So here we go. Alright, you guys, we're gonna give this a try. Here we go. Eureka Power Speed. Here we go. Alright guys, so that's the Eureka. That's the Eureka Power Speed now. Now for the next one, guys.